Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. What we have for today's video, it is this lovely box here. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for the month of July. For those of you that don't know about this box here, it is $50 a month. Yes, a month. It's pretty painful. But you do get 12 items. 8 of those items are full size and 4 of those items are supposed to be deluxe size samples, but a lot of the times they're also full size items. You also, along with those items, you do get a cosmetic bag which changes month to month, and I'm gonna start with that one, with the bag, which is this one here. This one's cute. The other bags for the other 2 boxes I wasn't too impressed by them, but this one is actually pretty cute. They should have actually added 2 little straps here and made it look like a little tiny backpack. That would have been super cute, right? So this is the bag for this month, and I'm just gonna go in because we do have 12 items to go through, and we have something from Believe. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is not the first time that we received this one. For those of you that have watched other videos, we get this one really often in the boxes. I don't know why, I really don't know, but we either get that one or the eye one. I think it's called the eye balm or something like that. Then the same paper that we got in the other 2 boxes, the Steps of Beauty Staycation, whatever, same thing, nothing different. Gonna grab this one here. I don't know why I did this. I'm gonna grab this one here. It is from Beautiful Real, and it looks like it's a 2-piece item. And what do we have here? Oh, there are 2 eyeshadow sticks. One in the shade. Where's the shade? Do we get a shade? I don't know if we get a shade. I don't see a shade. I don't see a shade name. But let's see. Oh, they're really light. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see them. That's supposed to be the darker one, and this is supposed to be the lighter one. So the colors aren't super duper like pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see. But they're eyeshadow sticks. I don't know. Oh, they're actually pretty. Doing this is not really smudging them a lot, so that's good. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one here. It is from Ciate London. It is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Ooh, this looks like a giant lip gloss. So that's pretty like different packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's a little squeezy tube, and it has little balls inside. I don't know what those little balls do, but I wonder if it's. Oh, I don't know why I thought this was gonna look like a lip gloss applicator. But it has a little pump, and I want to see. I just want to smell it. I want to see if it smells like watermelon at all. There you go. Ooh, that does smell like watermelon. That smells like candy. It smells like candy watermelon. I mean, watermelon candy. Smells really good. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go for these next. These are the Green Tea Eye Gel Patch from J. June Cosmetics. I think that's what it is. So it's a little bag, and it has 3 sets in here. So they are, they're just green tea eye gel patches. They look like the little quotation marks. Like the little quotation marks if you put them both together. But we have a set of 3. No, we have 3 sets. Yeah, I think, yeah, you guys know what I mean. Then I'm gonna go in for this one. Oh, see, I already have this, so I'm just gonna show you guys the inside, what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I already have one. But this is from Tristique, and this is the Brazilian. It's in the shade Brazilian Bronze. It is the color Contour Cheek Stick. And what I like about this one, it is that it's a 2-in-1. So it is obviously your color stick there, and I like that it's magnetic. And then at the bottom you have a little tiny brush so you can blend it out. So Tristique has this packaging so you carry less. Up next, I'm going to go for this one. This is from Foxy Bay. It is the Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask, and these are actually little packets. Not too long ago, I think it was in the FabFitFun mystery bundle, one of my mystery bundles that I just recently unboxed. I got some of these also, and reading up about them, they sound really, really good. I think it actually says it here. So the key benefits for these, argan oil moisturizes, hydrates both hair and scalp to prevent dryness and dandruff. Coconut extract adds lustrous shine and helps restore elasticity. Horse chestnut extract, antioxidants, help protect against daily moisture loss from heat and sun damage. And then it just keeps on going and going and going. So I was actually really excited that I got them there, and then I got them here as well, just because I obviously now have double. And what I really like about this one is that it's just not for your hair, it is also for your scalp. And I have a really dry scalp. It is annoying, so if that can help my scalp, then that would be totally awesome. I'm gonna go back in here, and this is something from PELUXE. It is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. It is soap and sulfate free. It is for all skin types. This one's big. It's a really big. Look at that. This is really big. So that is the packaging. Your regular PELUXE packaging. I want to smell it. Oh, it's covered. I don't want to open it just because I know I'm not going to use it right now. And so I don't want my time to start ticking once I open the product. So this is, I'm almost 100% sure that's a full-size item. I'm going to go for this one here from Upvet. It is the Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser. This is going to be a deluxe size item. It is a pretty tiny cleanser compared to this one. Yeah, this is a deluxe size sample. So just your typical cleanser, nothing special. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one. It is from Awake. This is the Glow Pill Super Serum. It is really pretty. I like the peach. I like the peach color. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is the packaging. It almost looks like a pill. So it is like flat and like rounded, and it's a serum. So it does look like a thick gelish kind of serum in there. What does this do? It says, what I am, skin hydrating vitamins in a serum. The Awake effect, skin appears more balanced, hydrated, and smooth. Why I am special, pH 5.3, a super blend of vitamin B plus B5 and antioxidant benefits. Use AM and PM. And so this is just supposed to be like a shot of like vitamins for your skin. So I hope it delivers results. Up next, this is the coffee scrub. And you know what? Not too long ago, we received a full size. I think this is going to be a deluxe size sample. But not too long ago, we received a full size bag of this. And oh my God, I love it. I used it in the shower. Obviously, it's a scrub. But once you get it mixed with that water and you're like rubbing it on your skin, it smells just like you're brewing coffee in the shower. There's nothing I love more than smelling the fresh brewed coffee, because it just like wakes me up even more. So that's what it smells like when you are using this in the shower. It is a little bit messy, I'll tell you that much, because it just seems like you threw your coffee grounds all over your shower, because they do get everywhere. So that is something to be careful with, but they smell so good and I really, really like it. So this one is just a backup for once I'm done with that one there that I have already. Then I'm gonna did get this one. This is from El Maquillage, and this is a brow pen. So, oh, that's really tiny. Is it? This is a really tiny pencil. It is in the shade Truffles. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting that. How much do we get? Oh, that's a good amount for your eyebrows. Oh, that's a really close match. I just did a few little lines right there, but that's a pretty good match to my eyebrow color, because my eyebrow color looks really weird. It's like a black, not black, gray, but not gray. I don't know what my eyebrow color is, but it's, I think, a really different color because my hair is brown, but my eyebrows are not. I don't know. And then the very last item that we have here, it is from Sakura and Sage. This is a vegan eyeshadow and blush palette from Seraphine Botanicals. So outside of the packaging, this is what it looks like. Really, really pretty. Nice purple flowers on there. Ooh, that is really pretty. Those are some really nice colors. So you do have a mirror here at the bottom, and then here you have, are those supposed to be, I don't know if they're both supposed to be like blushes or if they're supposed to be highlighters. I don't know, but these eyeshadow colors up here are really pretty colors. You have these two that you can use as a base, and then you can obviously top your eyelids with any of the metallic ones. So you can create really simple but pretty looks with this one here. And what's special about this one here, it is made with evening primrose and sage oil, oregano, lavender, cherry blossom, and rosemary extracts. It has vitamin E and it's hypoallergenic. It also has no talc, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, and no gluten. So this is like very clean, and it's cruelty free and vegan. So this is like anything that you can imagine, like all the bad stuff out, but all the good stuff in. So that's pretty awesome. I didn't even know anything like this existed as far as like makeup, but I'm really tempted to touch this one. So, oh, this is more like glitter. Ooh, yeah, so this is more like glitter. So that's the silver one. It didn't come off like super duper. Oh, see, like this one's really okay. So the glitter, the silver one is more like glitter. Now I'm going into this one. That one is really soft. Oh wow, that one's really soft. That's it there. Super duper pigmented, going off on the skin. And now I'm going for this darker one. Yeah, this one's not as pigmented as the previous one, but still really pretty. Now, I mean, I guess while I'm at it, I'm gonna go for the pink. That's super duper pretty too. It's a nice soft pink, but still very metallic-y and really, really, really pretty. So that one there is the last item from the box. I'm gonna go ahead and put a total box value here, right here, somewhere around here. And so we see more or less how much this box is worth. I think we actually got some really cool things, some very useful things. The only thing was that this Tristic item is a duplicate or a double. Yeah, a double, not a duplicate, it is a double. But I don't know, I'm pondering the idea of a giveaway. I just need to put some things together. If I do, that one will be in there for sure, because I have no need for a second one. But if I think about it, if I decide to do it with this whole COVID thing, I will let you guys know really soon in another upcoming video. But for now, that is all. That is all from me for right now. Those were all items from the boxes. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. I love this box just because we get so many items. I love unboxing stuff. But yeah, so that is all. That is all from me. I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another video. And yeah, I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.